Hello, welcome to this video for the Mercedes C250. It's the C250 AMG line Premium Plus. So it's the top of the range one. So it's got the pan roof, got the 18-inch AMG alloys, got the Burmester sound system, got the reverse camera, it's got the sat nav, it's got the electric boot lid, or should we say, yeah, electric boot lid opener and closer as well. It's got the full leather. A lot of extras. So this vehicle, as you've already read, is a Cat N insurance claim. So what happened, we were told by the last owner, the engine, it flooded. I don't know what happened exactly. It said water got in and it flooded the engine, and they had to obviously replace the engine. So it got paid out, and the insurance company paid out for it, and someone has fitted a new engine into this vehicle. So it's only covered 16,000 miles. It's the 67 reg, which is actually, this car was registered the 26th of February 2018. So it's 2 days off an 18 reg. Okay, as you can see, the bodywork is in good condition. There's nothing out of the ordinary at all. The vehicle is in 16,000 mile condition, as you can see. It's in the black metallic, Obsidian black metallic they call it. It's got the Pirelli tyres all round. As you've seen in the photographs, all the tyres are in really good condition as well. The wheels have got a few marks on them, not gonna lie, they might actually be done by the time you get here. So we've just got the car in stock. So we're waiting for our alloy wheelman to come and touch those up or refurbish them. So they will be done. Obviously it's got the pan roof, as you can see. The tilt and slide pan roof. Very clean. The windscreen's original, good condition, no cracks or chips. It's got the Carl Benz signature there. It's got the driving assistance package as well. They're the cameras, detectors. It's also got the reverse cameras. So let's start in the boot. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop the button there. Wait a minute. There we go. That pops the boot. It's got the electric button as well there. A warning triangle there as well. Carpeted boot, very clean, absolutely spotless. No signs of anything out of the ordinary at all. It's got the luggage nets either side. And then if we lift it up, well, it's got the split fold rear seats as well. So they're the handles. So the rear seats will fold down as well. They're the handles. Handles either side, so the seats will fold down. Okay, lift this up here. Inside here we've got the first aid kit. We've got the luggage net, we've got the windscreen wash, we've got the compressor, and we've got the tyre foam as well. Tyre foam, compressor, etc. So that's all there. So we press the button. Electric tailgate. Okay, so let's look inside. So we've got this lovely ash wood here, the black ash wood. We've got the Burmester sound system, so it's got loads of speakers, so something like I've lost count, probably something like 13 speaker system. Okay, as you can see, very good condition. All the sills are like brand new, the door shuts, there's no signs of any damage anywhere. AMG fitted car mat set, back to the seats are immaculate, all the leather is immaculate as well. It's got 3 rear headrests and 3 seat belts. Got the child Isofix anchoring points. As you can see, the leather is totally unmarked. It's got this fold down armrest as well. Fold down armrest with the drinks holders there, and pen storage there as well. So that's all in working condition. Got the air vents there as well for the rear passengers. The pan roof, it's a 2-part pan roof, so the front part and the rear part there. Obviously the front part pops open and slides back, but the rear one is a fixed piece of glass. This side's all clean as it should be. AMG car mat set, no damage to those sills at all. Or here, no trap seat belt marks at all. As you can see, in 16,000 mile condition. Burmester speakers, lovely soft leather with the grey stitching as well. So the driver's side front door all clean. It's got the electric memory seat as well for the passenger. Sorry, the passenger side front door. As you can see, it's got heated and it's got a free memory setting memory seat as well. It's got the illuminated kick plates, as you can see, illuminated both sides at the front. Absolutely no trap seatbelt marks or anything on that door shut. That rubber is immaculate. Just turn the stereo off. Okay, so as you can see, that seat's immaculate as well. There's no wear and tear anywhere on that. AMG fitted carpets. The glove box there. I believe we've got the locking wheel nut set in there as well, and some documents. Okay, driver's side. As you can see, immaculate condition. Heated electric memory seat again. Burmester sound system. 4 electric windows. As you can see, the little bit of blue, that's the what do you call it now? The interior mood lighting, should we say? And then the folding mirror switch there as well. If I press that, we get that to fold back. And we press it again, and it folds out. All nice and clean. Illuminated kick plate. Aluminium pedals as standard. All the door shuts are like brand new. The driver's seat, very good condition. No damage, no wear and tear. And it's also got the what do you call it? The back lumbar support. Electric 4-way electric lumbar support. Okay, so I'm going to put the seat back electronically. So these electric seats have got a lot of functions. So they go back, forwards, backwards, up and down, and even the front. This is electric as well, this piece here. So if you see, that's electric as well. So that goes in and out. And we've also got the electric headrest, which goes up and down. So it's, I think they call it a 16-way or 13-way electric seat adjustment. Inside here we've got the automatic lights. As you can see, automatic light switch, the push button start there as well. We've got the lovely AMG line flat bottom steering wheel. Obviously it's got the multifunctional buttons as well. Voice command, program up and down, the flappy paddles there, the indicator and the windscreen control. That's the gear stick up there. That's your paddle shift up. That's your voice command as well there for the telephone and Bluetooth. As you can see, 16,672 miles. Very quiet, no unwanted lights. It's got the sat nav there as well. And if we put this into reverse gear, you can see behind us we've got the reverse camera as well. Reverse camera has got the optional view, so the view can be changed to this kind of view as well. So it's got 2 options there. And then obviously this is the brightness adjustment as well. You can have it brighter. Okay, so put that into park and that should go off. Back to the map. And then if we press this, you've got all the stuff like the radio, and I do believe this one is a DAB. Yes, this is a DAB because it's the Premium Plus. So Premium Plus comes with a DAB, and then you've got the other stuff like media, Bluetooth, telephone, vehicle. So the vehicle will this was where you can this is where you can see the ambient lighting. That's the one. Ambient lighting brightness, ambient lighting colour. So we can have different colours, as you can see. So it's all there. And then obviously this keeps scrolling on. You've got interior ultrasonic alarm sensors, etc. Temperatures. All these can be adjusted on this computer. We have got what we've got now. We've got 2 keys to this one. I'm sure we've got 2 keys, and then a drinks holder there, 12 volt, and a coin tray, and then all your controls here. I press that button and we open the armrest, and inside you've got the 2 USBs, the power output, and the music input for the USB, and an SD card reader as well, if you decide to store your music on the SD card as well. And you've got all these buttons up here for the sunroof, pan roof. Let's show you that working. As you can see, the pan roof will come down like that, and then we can obviously slide the you've got 2 sun blinds from there as well, so that's all novel. And then they open up again like so, and you can have it just like that fixed, or we can have it on tilt there. So just tilt a little bit of air and we flick it back, and you can have it the full roll back pan roof, sliding pan roof. Okay, and that is about it. So let's pull the bonnet. We'll show you under there. Show you under the bonnet. Very clean under here, nothing out of the ordinary at all. We took a good look. Everything's correct. All the headlights are secure. There's nothing rolling around at all. All the clips are there. There's nothing amiss at all. Okay, let's walk around this once more and we're done. So we do accept part exchange, so if you have a part exchange, please provide us with your registration plate and the mileage, and we'll give you a rough valuation. We can do finance as well for A1 credit scored applicants. We can provide finance for this vehicle, so it is financeable. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.